Hey guys, welcome back to Know with Joe. Are you looking to get the most out of your Ryobi 1200 PSI power washer? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over the top 3 things you need to upgrade your power washer and your exterior clean. We're going to look at the Raincovo Snow Pro foam cannon, the Flexzilla Hose, and the griotsgarage G9 polisher. Let's know. Stay with me. We'll test the Raincovo versus the stock Ryobi foam cannon. We will see if the Flexzilla Hose really lives up to the hype, and we'll check out the G9 polisher on some actual paint correction. Whether you're just starting with car detailing or looking to upgrade your gear, this guide will save you money by showing you what's worth it and what's not. The products covered in this video will be the Ryobi 1200 PSI washer with the stock setup, the Raincovo Snow Pro foam cannon, the Flexzilla Hose, and the griotsgarage G9 polisher. If you love detailing, washing, and protecting your car, this is a must-watch. Subscribe for more car cleaning tips, pressure washer upgrades, and detailing product reviews. Let's start with foam cannons because secretly, let's be honest, we all wish our cars looked like they were dipped in a vanilla milkshake. Now the stock Ryobi foam cannon, it's fine. Think of it like this. Think of it like applying sunscreen. It's patchy, it's watery, you're not really sure if it's doing the job that well, right? But the Raincovo, now this thing, it lays it on thick. And why is that? Is because of the unique nozzle design and the air to soap ratio. The Raincovo uses a proper orifice and internal mesh filter, which atomizes the soap and water, giving that thick, even blanket. In short, the stock cannon, it's like a sad foam party, while the Raincovo, now that is a full-on foam rave. Next up, hoses, because nothing ruins a good wash session faster than wrestling with a tangled up snake in your driveway. So the Flexzilla Hose comes highly reviewed. Everyone says it's lightweight, flexible, kink resistant. It sounds like a dream, right? Here's the deal. Yes, it feels a bit nicer in hand compared to the Ryobi hose, but in real world use, it tangles just about the same. You still end up doing that awkward yard hose dance. 1 step forward, 2 steps back, spinning in circles like you're summoning rain gods. If you're expecting it to be a night and day upgrade, you might be disappointed. It's good, but it's not magic. Now, on to my favorite upgrade, the griotsgarage G9 polisher. Now this thing is actually worth the hype. All right, so first things first, I'm going to start with a little clay barring. Over here first. Do this whole panel first. I'm going to be using the Griot's correcting cream right here. I'm going to give it a try. Let's see, can you see there's some light scratching kind of all over. Real subtle stuff. You can see it in the paint there. Some like light swirling scratching. I'm going to try it on these panels. The G9 is an entry-level dual-action random orbital polisher, which is a fancy way of saying it spins and oscillates. Why does that matter? Because it reduces heat buildup and the risk of burning your paint. Translation, safe for beginners, powerful enough for pros. With a 9mm orbit, a 1000-watt motor, and a comfortable ergonomic grip, it delivers smooth correction power. That means swirl marks, oxidation, and light scratches don't stand a chance. Using this feels like cheating. You get pro-level results with a learning curve flatter than a pancake. It's like the difference between brushing your teeth with your finger versus an electric toothbrush. Once you try it, you never go back. All right, so let's break it down. In conclusion, foam cannon, absolutely worth the upgrade. It's a total no-brainer. The hose, meh. If your stock hose annoys you, the Flexzilla might annoy you a little bit less, but it's not a revolution. The polisher is another must-have. If you're serious about keeping your car looking sharp, this is it. So there you have it, 3 upgrades tested. No fluff, just real results. If you want to foam your car like a pro and actually correct paint without fear, the Raincovo and the Griot's G9 are the moves. The hose, let's just say it's not the hill I'd die on. Please drop your favorite detailing tool in the comments, hit like if I save you some money, and subscribe if you want to see some more reviews. Thanks a lot, guys. Keep it clean. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.